Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm just going to give you my honest advice for beginning traders, and I think it might also help traders who have been around the block for some time and sometimes who are still struggling and they are not making any money with their trading. So let's get on with it. By the way, if you're new to the channel, just consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos. I don't know if you can hear it on my mic. It's just a windy day where I am here in Cape Town, so it's so windy. I don't know if you can hear it through my mic. I do apologize for that, but I'm not apologizing for the weather. I'm just apologizing that I maybe might mess up my audio. Okay, so trading can be both exhilarating and can also be challenging at the same time. It can be fun, but it can also be a nightmare at the same time. So that's why I decided to just share my honest advice for somebody who is just starting in trading, or somebody who is looking to start trading, or somebody who just needs some honest advice in trading. By the way, if you're looking for good, reliable brokers, see the links in the description box below. Okay, the first honest advice, now I'm being honest, the first honest advice that I'm going to share with you is trading is not easy, guys. Trading is not easy. Ignore what people tell you, what people show you on their Instagrams, on their Twitter, on their Facebook, Telegram, all over. Guys, most of that is just marketing. The truth is that trading is not easy. Even for guys who are trading for hedge funds, for big banks, it's very stressful and it's not easy, because most of us, we try to understand trading when we are only looking for money, and when we've grown up, we never taught this skill while still in school, and you probably only have 2 months to learn this thing. You're trying to pressure yourself to do this thing as fast as you can. However, the markets are a different beast altogether. Even if you've been trading for 20 years, you still make losses in the market, because the market is a completely dynamic beast. What was working some years ago, you find that it no longer works in today's market. That's how the market continues to evolve. So sometimes people enter into trading with this misconception that they are going to quickly learn trading and then they can quickly make money and quickly become successful. You will be shocked when you spend 2 years, 3 years without actually becoming profitable. And it's not you, it's not your fault. Trading as a business, as a skill, is just not easy, and it's not for everybody. It's for people who are tolerant of challenges and setbacks and losses. If you're tolerant of that, if you can go through that, then someday there's hope for you. But if you're a person who doesn't like to lose, a person who can't handle losses, find another thing to do. Trading is not easy. I'm being honest. That's the honest truth. The second thing is the importance of losses. You know, every trader out there is trying to avoid losing. Nobody wants to lose. We all want to make money. Fair enough. But for the forex market to work, it's a zero-sum game. It means for you to make money, somebody somewhere has to lose money. Anyway, going back to the importance of losses. Losing money is not avoidable in trading, especially as you are beginning. is unavoidable. Blowing accounts is unavoidable. But don't take it to heart. You must just accept those losses as part of the process. Those losses, accept them as part of the process of learning to trade. What you want to do is learn from your losses. Learn what did you do wrong. Where can you fix? Where can you do better next time? Losses are needed in your trading. They teach you a lot. The wins, nobody learns anything from winning. Nobody ever learns anything when things are like moving in their direction. People start learning things when things are going against them. That's the importance of losses. Losses are important in trading because they teach you new things that you are not aware of with your trading. The third point, patience. As I said on my first point, sometimes people just go in here in trading and they want to what? To just wake up tomorrow morning and they are rich. They are rolling in cash. They like overnight success. Partly is social media to blame, because we see people who were nothing, now all of a sudden they are moving around in fancy cars, holidays, women, champagne, and stuff like that. It gives people a wrong conception of what it is to trade. So people come to trading without with no preparation to patiently do this thing. It's a trade, it's a skill, and you need to actually be patient. Be patient, especially is when you're still in the beginning. Be patient, because when you're not patient, that's why you find people jumping from one strategy to the next strategy, from one mentor to the next mentor, from one broker to the next broker. They're all over the place. They're just all over the place because they are not patient. And when you're not patient, you're just jumping all over. It results in more and more and more losses. And then you hear people saying, what? Forex is a scam. So you want to give yourself time to learn this skill. Patiently learn the skill. You want to be patient with your trading strategy, your trading skill. You're going to take losses. I already said about losses. You're going to make losses. Whether you think you've got the holy grail trading strategy of the market, you are going to take losses. But you have to be patient. Stay diligent and be patient if you want to succeed in trading. That's my honest advice. And my other point is start part-time. I've seen people who want to quickly resign from their jobs and go into forex trading full-time. It's all good and fine if you have saved enough money for that, but sometimes people don't realize that maybe they've got 5 years or 2 years or 6 months or a year ahead of them without actually being profitable. So then they go into trading and they realize it's not what they thought it was, and what they go back and start bashing forex trading. So start it as a part-time thing if you have a full-time job. Maintain your other sources of income. Then once you are profitable, then you can let go of those other sources of income. That's my honest opinion. Then my honest opinion is also to keep things private, especially at the start. If you are still beginning or if you are not profitable, I think try and keep your trading journey private, because sharing your trades and progress with people, your wife, your husband, relatives, friends, I've experienced it. Sometimes it creates unnecessary pressure, and usually it also invites unnecessary opinions from people who are going to judge you. Hey, this forex thing doesn't work, so tried it, it doesn't work, so you think you are going to be better. Those things are going to pull you down. So if you are not yet profitable and you are still beginning, what you probably want to do is to just keep things private. Don't tell your wife, don't tell your relatives, don't tell, at least until you have made good enough progress, so that you are not under unnecessary pressure from those around you, so that they don't bother you with their judgments, with their opinions, and pull you down. So try to keep things private, especially at the beginning stages. The other point that I just want to make, again, my honest opinion: manage your expectations. As I said in this video, you don't know how long it's going to take you to become a profitable trader. I've seen people who have spent 5 years without being a profitable trader. I've seen people who have gone into trading and in just 6 months they are profitable. I've seen people who have become profitable in 1 year. I've seen people who have become profitable in 3 years, in 2 years. It varies person by person. So if you can't manage your expectations and just think forex is a quick rich game, you're going to be disappointed. This is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So you need to accept that to succeed long term, you are probably going to have to do some hard work. You are going to have to do some hard work, and you are going to need the stamina, the mental stamina for it, and also finances. If you rush to leave your job, you are going to be in a bind. You are going to be under pressure to perform. So what you want to do is manage your expectations. The kind of trade account that you have. Why would you want to become a millionaire from a $100 account, from $1,000 account? I'm not saying it can be done, but I'm saying very few people can do that. What you want to do is manage your expectations. With your $10, $20 account, you can actually flip it maybe $100, $200. You are good, you are doing excellent. Maybe your $1,000 account, you can take that $1,000 to 20,000, if you can 50,000. You are good. Don't aim to become a millionaire from $10. I'm not saying it can be done. I'm just saying that the odds are stacked against you. So manage your expectations. Then the last point that I just want to make is, again, to find a mentor. Find somebody that you can learn from. I don't do mentorships, I don't do signals, I don't do all that stuff, and I know most of the mentors out there. I know we have got a huge thing about people who are scamming people, pretending to mentor them and stuff like that. But just find somebody who is authentic, somebody that you can say, this person is authentic, this person is verifiable, this person is truthful, this person, I can follow what they are doing, and try to follow what they are doing. Learn from what they are doing. You can actually improve your own trading. Sometimes people disregard YouTube. You can go to YouTube and sift through the YouTubers that are doing this kind of content. You find a good YouTuber who is doing that. I'm not saying it's me. You find a good YouTuber who is doing that, and somebody who is like giving you facts, how things go, how to do things and stuff like that. You can just follow them from a distance, and you will learn a lot about trading from them. So yeah, if I left anything out that you think is also good for beginning traders, leave it in the comment section below. I would like to hear what it is. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.